Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to something different. This is actually a leftover layout from Kit Conspiracy in April, and I don't think I ever got it up on my channel, and so I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of having the video footage and sharing it with you today and take a little step away from doing cruise layouts and may I scrap lift you because I am actually going to be traveling, and so I don't know that I don't know how I'm going to get all the rest of them done, basically. So this one I did back in April for Kit Conspiracy. If you're not sure what that is, it is a series that MK and I do twice a year in April and in November, where we use the same kit for 1 week, and then the next week we switch kits, and so on and so forth for the entire month. And we see what we can do with, see how many layouts we can make out of it, and see how we use the products differently. It's a lot of fun. You can participate by going over to the Kit Conspiracy Facebook group and hanging out over there. And when we get ready to do our kits for November, we have been doing a pre-order so that you can order kits along with us if you want to, or you can make your own kit, or if you have the stuff in your stash already, you can use that as well. It doesn't even have to be the same products, but basically we try to kit up something and bust it out in 1 week. So I have these 3 photos. These are sunrise photos of on our way home from Idaho. And I just thought the sky was beautiful and wanted to go ahead and capture that. Well, I did capture it on camera, but I wanted to get it into my album. So that piece that says road trip on it, that is from MK. I believe that was in the advent calendar. I will make sure it's not on her website, but I'm pretty sure it was out of the advent calendar, so it's not something that is currently available. But she does have tons of other travel stuff available on her website. If that is of interest to you, you can check that out by going to the link down below for some assemblage required. And then I did cut out the word sunrise on my silhouette machine. I don't right off of the bat remember what font I used. If that's something that's important to you, leave me a note down below and I will look it up. I don't know that I even have the file anymore, but I can get you pretty close if I don't know the exact name of it. But I love these handwritten scripty fonts, and this one cuts really well. I feel like it's called Kismet, but I'm not 100% sure, but I could double check that for you. So yeah, it's a fun one, and it's really pretty, and I'm happy with it. So my title is going to be Road Trip Sunrise, and I'm going to use those 2 pieces that are from the advent calendar to be part of my title, and I like how they nestle right in there between the S and the R, and that was really intentional when I sized my word for sunrise, and I knew it was going to go over a portion of the photo. There is nobody in the photo. It is not like I'm blocking any faces or anything like that. If that is worrisome to you, it doesn't bother me at all. Sometimes I like the title to go over the photo, especially when there's not a lot going on in a portion of the photo, and I'm okay with it covering up what it's covering up. So I'm going to go with it. And then most of everything that I am using here is from the 49 and Market Wherever collection. Yes, Wherever. And that was one of the kits we used in April. I really like it. It's a great travel themed kind of collection, and it was a lot of fun to work with. I thought that background paper was the perfect one for this particular set of photos, and then adding that really dark blue just worked really well also because it kind of complements that really moody sky and the asphalt that we are driving over. And I just thought it looked really neat, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. Now I am creating myself a little journaling spot here to the left hand side. This is the trip that we took the long way back from Idaho, and we actually stopped in Nevada, in eastern Nevada, to see MK, and we had dinner with her, and we went up to the Ruby Mountains and all of that good stuff. And yeah, I want to make sure I document that. So we had to get up really early. I want to say The hotel we were staying at, when we left the hotel early in the morning, it was 14 degrees outside, which may not be cold to everybody, but I'm from California, people. Come on, it's cold for me. I sometimes think that, you know, 45 is cold. So, um, I know if you're somebody who lives up north and gets snow and all that good stuff, that's not cold to you. But for me, 14 was very cold. In fact, our room was very cold. We could not get the heat to even keep up with the room. It was really cold. I slept with like my down jacket on and everything. Um, yes, I probably could have called the hotel front desk and had them switch rooms or whatever, but it was late at night when we got there. We were both exhausted. We were like, let's just go to bed and it'll eventually warm up, but it never did. I think it got 10 degrees warmer than it was when we got there without the heat on. So it is what it is. We survived, and it was a good trip. So I am just using my crocodile there to punch a hole in those tags so that the holes all align, and then I'm going to put some twine through there to tie them off. And then I'm using some of the other laser cut embellishments, this little car, bringing in a little bit of yellow to each one of my clusters, a little bit of orange, and a little bit of the blue as well. And I really like how that looks. I thought that road trip acrylic piece from MK was perfect because it captures both colors, and that made me super happy. So yeah, that was one of the main things that I started with, was the background paper, the blue paper, and that road trip piece. And I'm really happy with the way that it's come out so far. I am inking everything up with a little bit of, it looks like I'm using black soot. I don't even really remember because this was done so long ago, but I'm hoping to be back with more videos to finish out the month of May for May I Scraplift You, but we will see. It'll just depend on what I can get done before we leave, or when we get back. So it'll see. It'll be a surprise for you. It'll be a surprise for me if I get anything more done. Anyway, that is just it, you guys. I didn't do a whole lot more. I hope that you enjoyed this one. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to go check out what MK is doing today. She is probably playing along with May I Scraplift You. That was the goal all month long, but I think like I said, I'm throwing this one up on my channel because I am running out of time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and I will be back hopefully with another video real soon, so you can hit the bell if you want notifications on when I post a new video, and you'll get that as well. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.